Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We have some sunshine trying to peek through the clouds that have been a staple in the Northern Valley. For many of you, it was foggy for the better part of the day. Let's take a look one more time at this drought that was updated. Conditions are really bad across most of the central and western part of the Dakotas. Does reach out into the Devil's Lake Basin. However, in the last 24 hours, we've gotten rain from the James River Valley through Grand Forks and up into the Marshall County, Minnesota area. A ridiculous amount of rain that should help conditions there. Help is on the way out west. Now, this is by Monday. Well, the European model here, anywhere it's blue, I'm going to step out showing you a trace to an inch of rain. So widespread rainfall is on its way. Where you see the greens, a lot of the area could get over an inch of rain. Isolated places getting upwards of 3 or maybe more inches. The American model does concur, although not quite as widespread. You know how thunderstorms are. Underneath them, we can get gully washers and just literally a mile or two down the road get very little. But we're hopeful that things will be improving for our neighbors in the central and western Dakotas and even here in the Red River Valley. Now, as we take a look, Lake of the Woods, thunderstorms rumbling through, small soft hail to the tune of maybe penny or nickel sized from a couple of these cells up in the far north. Now, not as much lightning up in northwestern parts of Beltrami County, but these are trekking off to the east. And again, quick passing shower moving east at 25 miles per hour. You could see some gusts out of those as well. There's sunshine aplenty to the south and east of Fargo, a lot of cloud cover to the north and east. And look at these temperatures. Oh, but first, we'll talk about tonight's risk for any severe weather. It's marginal. An isolated storm that forms tonight could become severe. I'll have much more on this in just a minute. Ridiculous temperature spreads right now. We are seeing temperatures in the 40s not far from Langdon, and it's near 90 here in Wheaton. So we have quite a boundary in place with the cool pool of air up in northern portions of the valley, and that's going to be a theme this weekend as well. Let's walk through it. Tonight, breezy from the south. Our southern counties stay warm, near 80, a lot of upper 70s out here. Shower and thunder chances hit and miss, and I don't think we're looking at too much of a risk of severe weather up here. This is a cool pool of air, not very unstable. Now, on the boundary between that and the warm air masses, a couple of these may be potent. We'll keep our eyes on it, but I wouldn't bank on severe weather tonight. Whoa, look at things lighting up during the overnight hours if you're out and about at 1:20 a.m. Moving out of the Minot area, the Bismarck area where we need the rain, we could see some widespread showers. But again, these will be moving over that cold pool of air. I'm not expecting them to be much more than some noisy thunder showers as temperatures sneak into the mid-30s in Rolla by morning to near 70 in Fargo. Incredible range of temperatures through the early part of the day. You can draw a line here. It's going to be cool and blustery up north with a north wind and temperatures in the 40s to around 50s. We'll see near 80 in the south, but they'll be falling in the afternoon. Along the boundary here where we have the warmer air with more humidity in it, more moisture, we could see 1 or 2 storms, and those could be on the side of strong. So for tomorrow, there is a small chance of an isolated strong storm, maybe even severe. But Sunday brings a better chance, particularly out west in our western counties, of more widespread strong to even severe storms. 68 first thing in the morning in the FM area, rising to 80. We'll have wind becoming northerly throughout the day, 15 to 20 miles per hour. That will cause temperatures to fall. Look at this peak temperature around noon. Then we're down into the 70s and 60s. Cold north, uncomfortable north winds and cool temperatures to near 80 south. This barn has seen it all weather-wise. Samantha, thanks for this view of Sharp's barn. What a view out of that haymow. You can see the weather coming for miles. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Saturday, warm south, cold and blustery north. Showers and storms hit and miss. A chance of some severe ones Sunday and into Monday when the rain chances continue. Then next week, we stay unsteady with spotty shower chances and near average temperatures through the remainder of next week.
Thanks, Hutch.